not feel mix these two things together. I need to concentrate. Now what I spend money put money where I pay for this could not be small money. So I don't feel use that to spoil. Wait, it's important for me for life. You understand? I see what they play for. It's a bullet since I see him. Not be say I don't see. If I say I don't see, I lie. Although I know you see, but people call my attention to it. Say, see, oh. But I never see wash. If I talk and people don't believe me. But I only one page when I this road. Now for it's just pick small from the one they send for me. And you wash and small, come on there, you know, I don't get that time. And that time I want to wash and I will see you and read. Put something for hand, you know. So that make me never respond to both the apology, both the avieyekia, and both some of other people where I really want to touch. Go reach and mama won't humiliate. I dey come o. My bad no see it. Me wayaku ide ode. Me I'm coming. Mene leader. Wama na leader ya. I'm coming on the way. A leader means a leader. Also now have a leader that lead other follow. Eta. You get why? Where be say I be leader that lead other follow. But many people don't know the meaning of that word. Are they patient? Are they wash? Most especially this time now we beside the right exam. No, you quick jump come out. I forgot jump. For that jump, I also make your quick write the exam reach Friday. At least by Saturday. I would not jump come out like frog. We died there. We move. So Avieyekia, me go tell you say Saga no be your mates. No be your mama mates. No be your papa mates. I'm where you. Where be a key order. When Morocco no good for person body go stop him. This one that way you dey snuff, it no good for your body, you no want stop him. Oh, yeah, is a boy. Yeah, is a bijou. My beggar when we have here did not to anything. It's just a trick of a nice bed. If I wash him and not share one only one share. Adam you know where we make it. He ya hair a manado get way. He what branch when at your branch I will tell I beg you what your on a 200. He the one what to tell them away. I do 5. He was shaking the details he has to talk. So he gonna he tell them where my own young one young but go back boning young away. Ninyaga rad, ninyaga joy. Ninyaga in the destiny of where Ninyaga you were born is capay young money. Nin measure I do not wave it bebae. Ria has a Deutschland. I do not have any idea when you're born and any idea when he make bebae. It bebae in Yanawa you were born. Since we were a matime, you were making Mariana. You are Mariana Maguariave. You understand? When the more wood you are common, you were called a lot of women to have gone. What I don't want to run away, so 700 down one toilet. Now, 1 million down one to cheap. Where do I go and go mad? Like seriously, when a class, go and die with your pests, with your pet. You won't be valid. Where back me and I'm banyan raw. May not be done. Or won't be joy, but like you bear. Or won't be a dinner anywhere me as well as a reading. Ya put ra. Ye panera and ye nyangane. Awe agbano. Where worry. Be a clear weapon. Ya dolly. Where never matters show me enough for more than Nigerian. Ya clear weapon. Ya clear when you are grave in the movie social media. My was here. Ye is a boy. Who are the great? A grave is working here. Above it for evil forest near Mujwaji. Ya video mure. Evil forest, I am after committing adultery. After we go one and a fear evil forest in the Kanaba Mujwaji, particular person that will be working now. Yeah, I'm worried on my social media. Since who were name eh? Oh, we are totally bad with him. You want to dance with the big girls. And that when you boy you. And then you go because you are pieces away. Where is the van agbamen yawe? Where is the talebesho defi motomoto boa? Mais non, comment il vient non. Understand me now? Why I tell you he manege? Go ya tiere no dote ba lelewe. Ni oze ni egbe yo to mabe otio yin yo ze ne. So ima yeri odo. Yeseva because a matter to worry, ya watu ta. It do analyze the apology ni. Maybe your momo na we come my way. Go the way can on way. Avile lo di go to gbera wo wiena. Isa go me o bijoué. Wa wo wiena we de ya gbena. I me esco me jena ni me I me time examine me anson ba. But me an come where odo control gbere. And to who it may be concerned, whosoever that is having a hand in humiliating Rita mother, oh my God, that poor woman, no man na very regret. Wanna you ask screenshot wanna you ask screenshot Rita screenshot for what man? What for? Why will you people go to that extent? To be why ask screenshot is your man on a here kiwa boy. That's what I have been in Nigeria. Una go ship, una go collect. Una go collect. Why wale commenters? Ave viewers no ya o we maya. No ma eme o we. No we le we here no we no we hate to we. O we really me here. You over do you boss no mama I know your house. Ero ya de. Na so the tite they play. Yes, because may one point a figure where on a not wrong, may point a wrong figure to anybody. Because why? When I have a view, on a view me, or view where, on a view where, or view not, but on a view not, but or view not, but. And oh, we and about view man, all these people they view us, they look us, our viewers. They know us, some of them know us rich house. And some of them, they will be saying, belay the pepper there, they see us for live stream, they won't die because they can never be there. They wanted to be dead, but they can never be dead. So as a person, they don't feel be dead. The only thing what they feel do now to destroy you. Now they play. But this matter of Rita, because me, and no matter what the person do, now me they talk. Then me know they lie. You understand? Actually, Rita, not be person will be say, if they enter person body quick. He go wait for you. If you enter all the salon one. This war one say de grasso. He not reach Rita use 3 minutes pack. Rita don't even need anybody to fight for her. I believe her die. He no need. Every senator, that is the truth. So let's be realistic. But the thing is, to go for you guys to go to a mother or a family as to screenshot about that. Or who mugbe or mamma be heavy the agbe where any other venani don't move a kyoto at that age. Rita mother should be above 80 years or above 70. So she not feel wake up in the morning now call the makeup say hey and trouble go call today. I don't know the time they'll take her. The poor woman was on her. She was on her own. You guys went there and screenshot her and come and humiliate her. Do you know what it is? Do you people know the law? In fact, I wish that me get this kind of case for happy where me for happy now for the juice good the chop suya. Then I'll put 3 toothpick joiner because a very good case for me. I mean the talker, I mean the chester. A very good case for me. Rita never really come out bully Grace. When they said that Grace go there so. Prophetess Grace, you say you are a prophetess, you are a pastor. When things like this happen, there are ways you should handle it with care. There are things you handle peacefully. As a woman of God, you claim you are. But this one now is an example. What do I affect Bugawa? Going this length, who when they want which is bad. Even if somebody lured you to it, you could have said no to protect your image as well. You're coming to cyberspace all the time to come and poke nose in our jiggy jagger, to come and poke nose in our full of 40. Then you are a mug. It means that you want to register as a member. So immediately you register as a member, immediately you start poke nose to our saga. It means you are an accomplished. So anytime anybody can refer to you. So that is why you were not supposed to be part of this cyberspace saga. Most Edo cyberspace saga. You are not supposed to be part of it. But for you to go to that extent, to go and arrest, okay, why did you arrest Rita's parents? Why? What is your reason? Do you really have issue with Rita? And oh no. Okay. Then after more, the people that went with you there, you permitted them to screenshot Mama Rita's parents and come and put it on cyberspace. You, Egba. Well, that is, we are not going to accept this one. If not, Wani Keya, Uwab,